Welcome to Patent Law Training for Engineers, powered by Tonex.com. Patent Law for Engineers training covers what you have to think about protected innovation law in the field of building. All engineers ought to know about patent law, the unavoidably based main that alludes to the procedure by means of which an innovation is shielded by the law from rupture and uncalled for rivalry. Patent Law for Engineers training will cover patent applications, research, and indictment, alongside the law of break and PC programming and equipment applications, secured by copyright and equipment separately. You will likewise find out about different parts of patents and the thoughts patented, and also gadgets, forms, blends, generation, materials, and techniques for performing business and research. We will furnish you with utility, outline, and plant patents also. While Patent Law for Engineers training concentrates mostly on patent law, it will also discuss copyright, trademark, trade dress, trade secrets, and business techniques. At the end, you will receive a review of the rights that creative and ingenious individuals have and the information you need to protect yourself and your ideas in regards to intellectual property. Audience: who should attend? All engineers, scientists, and managers who already have or are planning to present any forms of invention or idea that required copyright or patent. Attainment. Price, $1,699. Length, 2 days. Learn about patent law, inventorship fundamentals, invention documentation, types of patents, patent searching, patentability requirements, U.S. patent application filing procedures, patent application, how to read a patent, patent application preparation, patent prosecution. Patent Law for Engineers training is designed to deliver theoretical and practical training related to intellectual property law in the form of lectures, interactive presentations, templates, case studies, group activities, and hands-on workshops. Training objectives: describe various forms of patents and copyrights. Understand patents. Execute the early necessary steps to protect their invention, idea, rights, IPR, including patents, utility, plant, and design, copyrights, trademarks, trade dress, and trade secrets. Describe the business value and significance of association between innovation, intellectual property, and business development. Identify what is and is not patentable and when a patent is not the best IP protection. Spot and use IP data. Describe the patent development process and the rights coming with a patent and right to use novel and prior art. Recognize content to include in a patent application. Interact with proper IP pros at the right time during the IP process. Successfully share their opinions to an IP professional. Demonstrate a fundamental understanding of revelation and confidentiality agreements, including employment contracts, non-disclosure agreements, and liability concerns. Describe various types of patent, read patents, perform a patent search. Understand the freedom to operate, understand the patentability criteria. File for a patent. Understand the principles of patent ownership. Describe the requirements for filing internationally. Course outline. Overview of patent law for engineers. Fundamentals of intellectual property, IP. Who decides accountability and compensations. From filing to prosecution, timing, and costs. Scope of discovery. U.S. patent laws. U.S. patent components. Claims components. The value of a patent. Patent rights and the engineer managers. Tonex case study sample. Becky has just started working as the Director of Research for the Electrode Division for the company X, which produces plasma arc torches. she doesn't have the experience of working for torch industry, but she holds a PhD in materials science and has worked in the plasma reactor, semiconductor industry for the last 5 years. At a conference exhibition, she sees that one of their new devices, which is in the process of patent application, is displayed by some other firms. What kind of legal actions she needs to take? What is the process of infringement claim? What precaution actions she had to take to not the new product leaks out? Create and develop a claim for this case. Learn more about patent law training for engineers. Visit tonex.com.